Tati and her puppies were left at the side of the road in a box, and passers-by found them and rescued them and brought them to us. You know, usually we wouldn't have a lot of space for dogs that have been abandoned or surrendered because we work at full capacity at all times. But in this situation, their welfare was in jeopardy. They really needed urgent medical attention. We kind of moved mountains to try and get them a place here. Our vet told us that it can be painful down the road and in the long term if it's not treated properly. So luckily she's with us now and we can advise on the best treatment for her going forward. Every year we continue to see a large volume of people looking to surrender their dog after Christmas. This year alone, in the month following Christmas, we saw 370 calls and emails from people looking to surrender their dog. So it's just really, really sad. You know, it was a slight decrease on last year. We're hoping that our campaign work before Christmas kind of contributed to that, and it resonated with a few people to not get a dog in the lead up to Christmas. Those figures are still alarmingly high, and we really, really want to see that number reduced. Yeah, I mean, we work at full capacity here, so as soon as we have space in our rehoming centre, when one dog leaves, another dog will come in to take its place, and that's the situation. We never have an empty kennel. We have a pre-planned intake policy with dogs from Irish pounds across the country. We rescue them as a priority because they're most at risk of destruction. So that's where our focus is, that's where our priority is. So when we get people looking to surrender their dogs, unfortunately we just don't have the space to accommodate all of those requests. So really what we would strongly advise is for people to take a look at their situation and see if there's anything that they can do to try and keep that dog with their family, because it's stressful for a dog going from one family to another. You know, they need that love and that foundation. If that fails, we would say go to a rescue centre. Make sure, just don't abandon your dog. Don't leave him out in a box in the cold. Just make sure that you put the necessary measures in place to try and seek help. We work at full capacity, so unfortunately we're not able to take every surrender in. But I mean, there are other rescue centres all across Ireland, so please contact your local rescue centre and see if there's any room there for them to take them in.